Welcome to my motherfucking YouTube channel, motherfuckers. Um, for today's video, I bought, that one fucking sandwich from Popeyes, the fucking chicken sandwich, whatever it's fucking called. Fucking, well, I bought two of them because one's a regular flavor and one's a spicy flavor. And, people were going fucking batshit crazy over this fucking sandwich, so. I mean, I'm late to the I'm late to all this shit, but like whatever. Like I'm gonna fucking try both of the sandwiches, see how they fucking taste like or whatever. And yeah, hell yeah, let's get right to it. I'm fucking sorry, you guys. I had to wash my hands real quick because safety first. Yeah. So these are the fucking sandwiches. Okay, these are the bags that they're in. Pretty nice bag. I can't tell which one's which. That's the fucked up part. Oh, and I also got ranch sauce and sweet heat sauce. Oh, and I got a fucking Sprite from my fridge. Oh, and for the record, I'm not sponsoring any of these items. I have no involvement in this. I just fucking bought this shit because I'm hungry as fuck. And yeah. This is what the bag fucking looks like. This is the inside. I don't know why the fuck I'm showing you guys this shit, but yeah. It comes in this plastic wrap. And I'm assuming this is the regular sandwich. And yeah, it's got fucking mayonesa. The chicken looks kind of nice. Mayonesa on the bottom and on the top as well. The fucking bun looks nice. It's got nice buttery bun and shit. Hold up. Bomb ass fucking bun full. I'm assuming this is the regular one because the fucking chicken looks normal to me, so let's fucking see what happens. Oh yeah, I also got napkins. And this is the bag that it came in. It's not bad. The fucking bun tastes good. I'm gonna open this shit up real quick. Hold up. Me personally, I don't like Popeyes. I have nothing against it. I just don't fucking like it. But I was just curious to try this shit. Let me dip it in each of the sauces. This is the sweet heat sauce. Let me dip this shit right in here. The sauce looks hella fucking saucy and shit. Hey, that sauce is fucking good, dude. Damn. This sweet heat sauce is what it. Oh, fuck! I'm sorry, man. Hold up. Okay, I just got done cleaning this shit up. I'm fucking sorry, you guys. Fuck. But anyways, yeah, it's fucking bomb. That sauce is hella bomb. Let's try it with ranch. Dip this bitch in here. Mm-hmm. There's my napkin. Well, let me bite this bitch one more time. Hold up. Este pinche sandwich right here es de la mera verga, fool. It's fucking bomb. Hasta ladra solo, way. For real, way you fucking bite this bitch and it's like, ruff, ruff. Shit. There's the regular one. The back says save that chicken sandwich. That's exactly what the fuck I'm fucking. Also went to Dutch because who the fuck doesn't like Dutch? Next up, this is what I assume is the. Damn, the fucking chicken is big, fool. It comes like this too. A fucking chicken, fool. No mames, way. Oh yeah, this is a spicy one. Look, it's got like buffalo sauce. But look at the fucking chicken, fool. This shit's big as fuck. No mames. Oh fuck, I fucking hate pickles. They got buffalo sauce on the bottom and it's got pickles as well. No me gustan los pepinos. No. But yeah, it's got this spicy ass sauce. And a big ass piece of pollo. Here's a word of advice, you guys. If y'all ever want to buy me a burger, chicken sandwich, or whatever the fuck, or just invite me out to eat, don't ever put pickles on my shit. No. Don't ever put pickles on my fucking burger. That's a big no-no. Let's try this fucking sandwich, a spicy one. Alright. Así suena eso más o menos. I gotta bite this bitch one more time. I bit into the fucking pan. Hold on. Let me drink my Sprite real quick. Whoops. Excuse me, I had the hiccups. This one's alright, I guess. I mean, the regular sandwich tastes kind of better, but I mean, this one's okay too, I guess. The sauce ain't really. Well, I bit off the piece of the pan that has the hot sauce. Not, hold up. Yeah, I mean. Man, it's okay. Let me dip it in the sauces. See what it really is up. Fuck, this shit got some bomb ass fucking pan. This type of pan, you know, the pan that you eat. No pun intended. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to fucking tell you guys. I scratched this shit right here to label it if it's classic or spicy. This one's fucking classic. The one that I just bit right now is fucking spicy. I forgot to fucking tell you guys that shit. My bad. So overall, now I know why people were fighting over these fucking sandwiches. I guess I can understand now. But the sandwiches aren't that bad. The classic, I would prefer the classic sandwich more. That one's pretty good. That shit's hella fucking gas. But the spicy ones, it's okay. Like I did enjoy eating it, but I prefer the classic version more. Excuse me. So I'm not a Popeyes person, like I said, but if I would ever go to Popeyes, I'd definitely get the sandwiches and not the fucking chicken. But yeah. So overall, I don't know what to fucking rate this shit. Okay, the regular classic sandwich, 9 out of 10. The fucking hot ass spicy sandwich, I'd give it 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, fuck it, 8.5 out of 10. It's still good, but it's just I don't know. I prefer the classic one better. But yeah, fuck it. Yeah, fuck it. That's just fucking good, man. I actually liked it. So yeah, but yeah.